Is your car misfiring, running rough, or throwing those annoying check engine codes? It might be time to zero in on an often overlooked culprit, your fuel injector. Don't worry though, I'm here to break it all down for you. By the end of this video, you'll know what a fuel injector does, how to spot the signs of failure, and how to fix it without losing your cool, or your wallet. Let's dive in. Alright, so first up, what exactly does a fuel injector do? Think of it like a garden sprinkler, but instead of spraying water, it sprays finely atomized fuel directly into your engine's combustion chamber. That spray needs to be super precise, delivering just the right amount of fuel at the perfect time. Why? Because without it, your engine can't mix fuel and air properly for combustion. It's all controlled electronically by your car's ECU, basically the engine's brain. Pretty cool, right? Now where do you actually find these little guys? That depends a bit on your engine. On most inline engines, injectors are tucked along the top or side of the intake manifold. For V-type engines, they're often nestled down in the engine's V. Each cylinder has its own injector, connected to the fuel rail with wiring harnesses and fuel lines. So yeah, they're small, but they're doing a huge job. Okay, so what happens when a fuel injector starts to fail? Here's what you might notice. First, engine misfires. That's a big one. If a cylinder isn't getting enough or any fuel, your engine will stumble, especially under load. Next, poor fuel economy. When the engine has to compensate, it either dumps more fuel or misfires, and you end up watching your gas gauge drop faster than it should. You might also experience hard starts or even no starts at all, particularly if multiple injectors are clogged or stuck open. Ever notice a strong gas smell around your car? That could be a leaky injector. And let's not forget the dreaded check engine light. Your ECM is constantly monitoring combustion and can detect injector circuit faults, often throwing codes you can read with a scan tool. Rough idling, increased emissions, vibrations, all signs you've got a fuel injector problem. Speaking of codes, let's talk about those real quick. Common trouble codes tied to injectors include P0200 for general injector circuit issues, or P0301 through P0308 for cylinder-specific misfires. If you've got a lean system code like P0171 or P0174 or something like P2195, it might also point back to a bad fuel injector. This is why having a good scan tool is a game changer. It points you right to the issue. Now here's the part you've been waiting for. What can you actually do about it? First, try a fuel injector cleaner. It's not a magic fix, but for mild cases, it can work wonders. Next, check your electrical connections. Sometimes it's just a loose harness or damaged wire. And if the injector itself is toast, you can either replace it or have it professionally cleaned and tested. If you're still unsure, here's a quick bonus tip. Visuals can really help. Check out a removed injector spraying into a cup. You'll see the difference between a good spray pattern versus a clogged one instantly. Or use a scan tool live on your car to pinpoint those trouble codes. It's like solving a mystery under the hood. So, there you have it. If your car's misfiring or throwing codes, don't ignore it. Fuel injector issues can snowball into much bigger problems if left unchecked. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more real-world automotive diagnostics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.